On behalf of the National Atmospheric Deposition Program, I would like to thank you for joining us today as we walk you through this training video highlighting the NTN GridSensor replacement. Disconnect the sensor from the motor box by unscrewing the connector. Unscrew the 4 screws securing the sensor to the frame of the collector. Set aside the old sensor and retrieve the new one. Thread its cable through the hole in the collector body and secure the sensor using the 4 screws that were removed in the previous step. Align the sensor connector to the motor box connector and tighten into place. Make a note on the remarks section of your field form and return the old sensor to the NADP Network Equipment Depot. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to contact the NADP Site Liaison at 1-800-952-7353